Well, just in, word from the National Weather Service that's confirmed a landspout tornado yesterday east of Hermitage, Mercer County. The Weather Service is asking if you have damage from the storm or any photos of the funnel to let them know about it. So this is, you were talking about this right at this time last night.
Right, we had the tornado warning issued for that area, and we were watching the radar had it was showing indications of rotation, and that's why they issued the warning. But so far, no reports of damage really, but so they're kind of looking for information to kind of reconfirm what the radar, and then I think they do have one photo at the Weather Service office that shows that it was indeed some rotation there. So luckily, doesn't sound like any injuries, and today, much quieter.
Yes.
But now, as we head toward Friday, it's going to be kind of soggy out there. Take a look outside right now. It looks ominous as you look at the clouds, but no rain in these clouds, unlike last night when we had those downpours come in about 2 different rounds. We are looking at cloudy skies, but much quieter weather across Pittsburgh. In fact, the temperature a good 10 to 12 degrees cooler right now than where we were yesterday. Remember, the high hit 91 yesterday before the rain cooled everything down. Today, we are at 78, and that's our high for today. That's actually below normal. The normal high for this time of year is 83, so a big change in the air. Temperatures to the north are in the mid-70s. We're still in the lower to mid-80s to the south. Washington, Connellsville, Morgantown, a lot more sunshine breaking through at times, and that's giving us a chance at some 80s in areas along and south of I-70. Forecast lows tonight, pretty comfortable. We'll be down to the upper 60s and close to 70 in many areas. Now, let's talk about the remnants of what is still Tropical Storm Debbie. It'll become a tropical depression and then just a low pressure center with a lot of rain headed our way. There's a flood watch that'll be in effect for portions of eastern Preston, Garrett, Tucker, and Somerset counties and areas to the east. Anyone in central Pennsylvania and probably over into eastern Pennsylvania, they will all be dealing with some potential flooding. This is for tomorrow night and through Friday around mid-afternoon. The remnants of Debbie arrive. Heavy rain could cause some potential flooding. We want to be on alert for that. And the exact track is still changing, even this close to when it's going to arrive here, and different computer models are taking different tracks. The question is, how far west will the rain get? Earlier this week, if you were watching, it looked like we might just get a couple of showers. Now, that front that came through and gave us the rain last night got out of here quickly, and now that area of rain that's coming up from the Carolinas is just going to be allowed to go a little farther west. Nothing to really kick it out of here. So as we head through tomorrow night, after midnight, we'll watch for some rain coming in from south to north. Now, this is one model that's taking it kind of on a central track. And you can see by Friday morning, the Laurel Highlands and ridges really get soaked, but the Pittsburgh area and the I-79 corridor stay fairly quiet. Another 1 or 2 models take it further west. That would mean up to 1 to 2 inches of rain for portions of Allegheny, Washington, and Beaver counties. So there will be rain Friday morning. The question is how much? It'll all be out of here by Friday afternoon. So for tomorrow, a little warmer, 86, couple of showers around in the evening, and then overnight into Friday, that heavy rain arrives. It'll be out of here by afternoon, late afternoon Friday, so the Steelers game should be dry. First alert day for that potential of flooding, and then sunshine, low 80s and upper 70s the rest of the week.